a special election, which can happen after May 2025 elections, or in the meantime, the election will be in 2028, but the president will have to appoint, as pointed out in the bill, yung pong mga in transition, yung pong governor, vice governor at members ng sangguniang panlalawigan. In the case naman po ng congressman, ay magkakaroon po ng caretaker na usually ginagawa naman po ng House of Representatives. Or pwede po tayong immediately after the election sa pagitan ng May at December, dahil December po ay barangay and SK elections muli sa isang taon, pwede po sa pagitan noon mag-conduct tayo ng special election para sa gobernador, vice-gobernador at sangguniang panlalawigan. Kami po, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, ay very much willing kung ano man po yung sasabihin sa atin ng ating Kongreso tungkol sa bagay niyan. Basta po importante lang ay makaboto